Hello dear students. So today we are going to study our science chapter number 6, movement of animals. Okay. So open your textbook page number 214, chapter number 6, movement of animals. So student, look at this picture. Imagine a funny world where all the animals remain fixed to the ground and all the plants can walk, run or fly. What will happen? And what will happen then? So student, in these pictures all the plants, they are moving, they are walking, and all these animals, they are fixed to the ground. Then what will happen? Can you imagine if all the plants, they walk and they fly, and animals, they only fixed on the to the ground as like plants? What will happen? So student, in this chapter we are going to study about the movement of animals. So let's see. Plants make their own food, but animals cannot. Correct, students? Plants making their own food, but animals cannot make their own food. So they need to move in search of food and shelter. So in search of food and shelter, animals are moving from one place to other place. Every animal uses different body parts for its movements. Every animal, they are using. Some animals, they are some animals like birds, they are using their wings to move from one place to another place, and the animals like tiger, lion, cow, dog, they are using their four legs for their movement. Okay, the body parts for movement are adapted to the environment the animals live in. So these body parts, why they have, because why different animal, they have different body parts? So they are adapted to the environment the animals live in, because they are living in the environment, and to live in the environment, they are adapted these different body parts for their movement. Okay, in last chapter number 5, we had learned about the different feeding habits of animal, means eating habits of animal. So different animals have a different type of eating habits. Okay, some birds like birds like crow, parrot, they are using their beaks for the eating of food, and animals, they are using some animals, they are using their mouth for eating their food. Like this way, different animals have different body parts for their movement. So let's see. Movement of animals. Different animals move in different ways. Some animals run, some walk, some hop, some fly, and some swim. Let us learn about how different animals move. So students, some animals run, some animal walk, some are hop, some are fly, and some swim. Okay, so this way they are doing their movement. So first we will see the movement of insects. Most insects crawl on the ground. Correct. Most insects means what? Cockroach, spider, bedbug, these are the butterfly, these are the insect. Mosquito, so they are crawl on the ground. Some insects can also fly. Then honeybee, butterfly, then mosquito, these insects are fly. For example, ants crawl while cockroaches can crawl and fly. So for ants crawl on the ground, and cockroaches can crawl and fly also. So these types of movement will happen in the insects, means insects are crawl on the ground also, and insects are fly. Next is a reptiles. Reptiles means lizard. All of you know lizard? Yes, reptiles means lizard and snake. Reptiles crawl on the ground. Movement means what? They are walking or they are running habits. Okay, reptiles crawl on the ground with their 4 legs. For example, lizards, snakes do not have legs. They move on their stomach. Correct. Reptiles crawl on the ground with their 4 legs. They are using their 4 legs for their walking or for the moving. For example, lizard, snake do not have legs. They move on their stomach. All of you know lizard and the snake, they don't have a leg, so they move on their stomach from one place to other place. Next, all of you know crocodile. Crocodile is also example of reptiles. Then crocodile also using 4 legs for their movement. Okay. So next is the birds. Now we will see the movement of birds. You know that birds have wings and legs also. So they are using their wings and legs for their movement. Movement means what? Move from one place to another place. Or movement means walking or running. Most birds can fly. For example, parrots, crows and kingfishers. Some birds fly long distances. Most of birds fly. For example, parrots, crows and kingfishers. Some birds fly long distances. Example, Arctic terns can fly from the North Pole to the South Pole. Some birds can fly only short distances. Example, hens and the peacocks. Some birds fly at great heights. Example, kites. And eagle also. Eagle is also fly at a great height. मतलब ज़्यादा ऊंचे कौन से birds जाते हैं? Kites, eagle, vulture. Okay. So there are some birds that cannot fly, such as ostrich. Ostrich, all of you know, ostrich cannot fly. Penguin cannot fly. Kiwis also cannot fly. Such birds are called flightless birds. So these birds are called flightless birds. मतलब उनको fly नहीं होना था, तो उनको क्या बोलते हैं? Flightless birds. Kiwis cannot fly because their wings are only 5 centimeters long. Okay. Kiwi cannot fly. See, this is a kiwi. Kiwi, see the wings of kiwi. It is very small, 5 centimeters long. So very small. So kiwi cannot fly in the sky. Some birds, such as the roadrunners seen in the desert regions, can run very fast. Some birds move from one place to another in search of a suitable climate. They are called migratory birds. For example, swallows and the Arctic terns. Migratory birds means what? The birds, they are move from one place to another in search of a suitable climate. So these birds are called migratory birds. So student, this is the movement in the birds. So next is the movement in the mammals. All of you know mammals use their 4 legs. Most mammals use their 4 legs, and some mammals use their 2 forelegs and 2 hind legs. Most animals move with the help of 4 legs, 2 forelegs and 2 hind legs. Animals such as lions, cows and dogs walk and run. Animals such as lions, cows and dogs walk and run. Horses gallop. Rabbits hop and kangaroos jump. How they are running? All of you know how lion is running, cows is running and dog is running. That means they are using their 4 legs. Okay. Horses gallop. Rabbits hop. All of you know. Kangaroos also jump. Dolphins and whales swim in the water in search of food and shelter. Dolphin and whales, they are swimming in the water in search of food and shelter. So student, this way movements will done in the mammals. Means mammals use their 4 legs for their movement or for the walking, for their running. Now let's see other animals. Fish swims in water in search of food and shelter. So what is the movement of fish? Swimming is the movement of fish. Amphibians such as frogs can swim in water and also hop on the ground. So frog have 2 types of movement. Frog swim in the water also and frog hop on the ground also. So this way movement is done in the amphibians. Okay. So student, this is about the how movement is done in the insects, reptiles, birds and the mammals and the other animals. So student, read textbook page number 214 and 215. So choose the correct answer. Dash move on their stomach. Lizard move on their stomach. Second, a dash is a bird that cannot fly. Kiwi is a bird that cannot fly. Third, a dash is an example of a migratory bird. Swallow is an example of a migratory bird. Most animals move with the help of dash legs. Most animals move with the help of 4 legs. So student, solve this in your textbook and complete your homework. Thank you, students.